can see it there? See that switch? You just flick it, it'll turn itself on, it will talk to you. How about that?
Once again, is that a British voice?
All right, so I want to show you guys the basics. So here's you've got the ventilator here. Right? Now this ventilator does have a mixer that attaches to the side where you can set the FiO2. We're not going to worry about that. We'll just use it on room air for now. All right, some of the other equipment that you're going to need for this ventilator run, you're going to need a HEPA filter. Okay? The blue HEPA filter is what we protect the ventilator with. So that goes right there. That prevents stuff from getting into the ventilator. And if there's like dust and stuff in the atmosphere, it gets filtered out so it doesn't go into the patient. All right. This is a filter slash HME or heat and moisture exchanger. It's like a balaclava. Anyone been in cold weather?
Yeah.
Had a balaclava and you wrap it around your face and you exhale and the moisture kind of gets, some of the heat and moisture kind of gets held in there. And then when you inhale, the air isn't quite as cold. That's the principle behind the HMEs, and this acts as a HEPA filter. You just put that right there. To shut this thing up, this red button here. That's alarm silence. It's the most important button there. All right, so we'll put that on there. You guys okay with that? This is a little elbow here. Just connects in there, and then this will attach to
ET tube.
yeah, your endotracheal tube. Okay, so you guys see how I have the transducer tubes? I have a big blue one and a small white one. I have a small little connector down here. So that's where that guy goes, and then I have a larger connector up top, and that's where that guy goes there. You guys okay with that?
Yes.
All right. So now let's go ahead, and I'm just going to take you guys through a basic setup here. Okay, let's say that you guys had to intubate a patient, average adult male patient, okay, has a head injury, so there isn't any underlying lung pathology. So, what's the first thing we do? What's the first question?
What mode? What type of mode do you want to
Type
put
of
it in?
ventilation, right? So do you guys see down here at the bottom of the screen, volume control, pressure control? And see how my settings change? See how in volume control it says VT or tidal volume here? You guys see that okay?
Yeah.
And then when I hit pressure control, it goes away, and instead I have 15 PC. That's my PIP. Does that make sense? Let's just do volume control. All right. So now what's my next question?
What mode do we?
What mode? So I have assist control, SIMV, and spontaneous if I wanted to do CPAP or BiPAP. Well, let's do assist control. You guys okay with that? So assist control. Now what do I want to do?
Set your settings.
Let's do my settings, okay? So I have my tidal volume. What's a normal tidal volume for 500? You guys good with that? So see how it's green here? I'll just select this up arrow. And 0.5 liters is 500 milliliters. You guys good with that? What about my respiratory rate?
Do 12.
10 to 12?
10 to 12. You guys good with 10 for now? Okay. PEEP?
Do 5.
Yeah. 10 might be a little high. We'll just start at maybe 3, we'll say. 3 to 5, just some physiologic PEEP there. Okay. Eye time, does that look like a good eye time?
Inspiration, what is it?
Yeah, 0.8 seconds.
Yeah, that's pretty fine.
CPR
About right. Yeah. You guys okay with that? 0.8 seconds to inhale? Okay, so now once I've got all my settings in, okay, we'll go ahead and clear our alarms out. And once I cleared all my alarms out, you see at the very top here, I have start ventilation, circuit check, and activate presets. We would actually do a circuit check, but we're just gonna defer that for now. So I'll hook my circuit up. I've got my little test lung here. My patient, I'll hook that up. We'll start ventilation. And now it's ventilating. So now what I want to do is, now that it's ventilating, I want to go ahead and go into my alarms, and this is where I can set all my alarm parameters. My high pressure, my low pressure, my high minute ventilation, and my low minute ventilation. You guys okay with that? We won't actually do it, but that's just to show you how it works. And that is the basic setup of a ventilator. And I'll take you guys through and have you guys do more setup.